Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Avatar Shop and get a cool items without spending any Robux. Let's get started. First, open the Roblox app and make sure that you're logged in. And from the main screen, tap the three dots at the bottom right. And here, scroll down and tap the Avatar Shop or the Marketplace, and here you'll find all the kinds of items like clothes, accessories, faces, and more. And now tap the filter icon and select the price to free, and this will show all the only items that you don't require to Robux. Yes, it's totally free. And tap on the item that you like to preview it, and you can hit the get and to add it to your inventory instantly. No Robux needed. And that's it. You can now upgrade your Robux style without spending any single Robux. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.